In recent years, electric fireplaces have come a long way, with the latest models offering incredibly realistic flames that can transform any space. In this video, we'll dive into how electric fire technology has evolved to bring you stunning, lifelike flames without the hassle of traditional fireplaces. The secret lies in advancements like LED technology and 3D flame effects, which create the illusion of a real fire. Some models even offer customizable flame colors to match your mood or decor. And unlike traditional fireplaces, these electric versions are energy efficient and low maintenance, making them a great choice for any home. You can enjoy the warmth or simply the visual appeal with no heat flame options that let you have the ambiance of a fire year-round. Many modern electric fireplaces come with remote control features, so you can adjust the flame effects and heat from the comfort of your couch. Join the revolution of electric fireplaces and bring a beautiful, safe, and convenient heating solution into your home today.